we got a, hold on, I'm making a video. We got a Beefy Baboon Butthole from Jizz Llama. 2500 watts RMS. Uses the 12-spoke frame. I don't even know what the coil is. Let's go check out the coil. It is a D2. Let me change that to 10. All right, so FS is 35 Hertz, 34.99. QTS is 0.43, and VAS is a tiny 0.98 cubic feet. We'll just say 1 cubic foot to round up. So, because I think it'll loosen up. I think 60 millimeter wine height, 8 layer, very beefy. We can do 250 shipped on this one today. Love you guys. Psych, I can't do that. 250 local, I will do. 300 shipped. Because this thing's got a 3-inch 8-layer coil versus the Vato Supreme. It's about the same size as far as physical goes as the Vato Supreme, but it's quite beefier.